you have a nectar in your body. The nectar which gives you life, which gives you vitality, which is the essence of your life. And yogis knows the secret how you can activate this nectar which can heal your body from within. And this is what you are going to learn today. One powerful practice which activate that nectar, and you also can go for self-healing pace. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. This is Prashant Jakmola, founder of Yoga Vidya School. If you want deep yoga study, you are most welcome to join us and learn the yoga from the root. Link in description. You can check our upcoming courses. Sign up there. I'll see you there. Today practice is very important. I will be sharing with you one of the very powerful pranayam called Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjai, which improves the ojas, which increase the vitality, which increase the self-healing power, which is energetical reset. So if you are the one who is getting sick regular basis, or after sickness if you want to recover back, this practice is for you. We will be learning step by step how to perform Ujjayi Pranayam correct way and easiest way. So let's understand how to practice that. But before that, as I mentioned that you have a nectar in your body. In yogic term, this nectar called Amrita, Soma, which is responsible for self-healing. What do you think when you are sick and you take a medicine? So medicines are helping you to improve the health? Not alone. The belief on this medicine activates the nectar within you, and that helps you in self-healing. Medicines are the medium. Similarly, this yogic practice, Ujjayi breathing, is a medium which activates the nectar, which burns all the poisons which is disturbing your internal systems. So this practice gives you inner nourishment for your nervous system and for consciousness as well. It balances the nervous system, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, hormonal harmony and self-repair. Remember one thing, when body feels safe, it heals faster. Ujjayi breath gives you this opportunity to feel safe. Let's understand how to practice Ujjayi. Let's try with me. See, take inhale, nose, open the mouth, exhale. With the sound. Can you hear the sound? Once again. This is one way. It's the same when you were a kid, how you used to talk. If you don't want your voice to be heard, you were talking like that. Hello, how are you? I'm good. This is Ujjayi Pranayama. This is what you have to do. Same sound you have to create while the mouth, the lips are closed. Let's try with me step by step. Once again with me. Inhale nose, exhale open mouth a little bit. Inhale nose. This time you open the mouth, not so much open, little close. Inhale nose, more close. Bring your lips together a little bit, but not touched yet. Again. Now this time, lips together. See the sound. See the rhythmic sound. Now reverse it. Now inhalation also you start doing with the throat. This is Ujjayi Pranayama. Two things will happen here. The first inhalation nose and exhalation mouth, or exhalation with a closed mouth, you will be able to do. But inhalation, the second step, which is inhalation also throat, exhalation also throat, will be challenging for you. No problem. This is the first stage when inhalation comes from the nose, exhale is mouth. You feel that the breath comes out from here. Usually it comes out from the nose, but the sound is coming from here, like an ocean sound, like a healing sound, like a nectar is activating through Vishuddhi chakra. This is what you are going to do. If in case you feel that you are unable to create a sound when the mouth is closed, but you are able to do that when the mouth is open, this is still Ujjayi Pranayama. Practice this for 10 days, become aware of the process, and once you are confident enough, then you start bringing the lips together closer, closer, closer. At the end, it will be closed. Once you do this 10 days, then you go for inhalation also, sound. Like that. First thing, after you learn all this technique, how you have to do. If you are doing first two, where inhalation is nose, exhalation is mouth, then you focus on exhale and make it longer. Try to start exhalation at the count of 7, 1, 2, count that. Then at the count of 10, after few days, if you master that, 10, then 12, and meditate there. So for example, you are doing, even if you are doing 7th round, 7 count with your exhale, sit and practice for 10 times. If you can do 10 seconds longer exhale, sit, practice for 10 times. If you are the one who can do 12, sit and practice for 12 times. When you will do this pranayama? Just before the sleep. Because sleeping time, this is a time of nourishment. That time, if you activate the nectar through the practice of this pranayama, the self-healing will be faster. So any kind of inner wounds, any kind of inner sickness which is not yet manifested, which is at energy level, it will kill from there. And any kind of weakness you feel, next morning you feel fresh. This is the power of Ujjayi. Ujjayi Pranayama you also should do before meditation. It helps you to go to meditation easily. Anytime if you notice your breath is faster, heartbeat is fast, to bring the breath natural, practice Ujjayi 10 times. Anytime you feel that mind is distracted, you can't focus, you are not feeling creative, you are not feeling intuitive, practice Ujjayi 10-15 times or 2 to 3 minutes regular. This is the power of Ujjayi. Try this, practice this, and share this video with others. Help them too. I'll see you again in next video. Till that, stay safe. Namaste.